Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore employee post schedule using Later for LinkedIn. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore employee post schedule using Later for LinkedIn, start by logging into your Later account. Navigate to the LinkedIn profile you'd like to manage. Locate the Posts tab on the left side of the dashboard. Click on the Posts tab to view all scheduled posts. If you don't see the posts you're looking for, check the filter options at the top. Ensure the date range includes your desired time frame. Next, to restore a post, find the specific post you want to reschedule. Hover over the post to reveal additional options. Click on the Restore button that appears. The post will now return to your main scheduling area. To reschedule, click on the restored post. Adjust the date and time according to your preference. Make any necessary changes to the post content if needed. After reviewing your edits, click on the Schedule button. Confirm that the post appears in your future schedule. Repeat this process for any other posts you wish to restore. Once complete, you can monitor your scheduled posts from the calendar view. This makes it easy to manage and adjust your LinkedIn posting strategy. With Later, you're now equipped to maintain a consistent LinkedIn presence for your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.